You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. In English, this is generally said as Joan. Joan, easy once you know. Now if you're looking at how to say this in Catalan, because this is Catalan for John, so Catalan like as in around Barcelona, the language from there. Joan, Joan, as in the famous painter Joan Miró, Joan. But in English, Joan, Joan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.